Hi everyone, hope you're all doing fine. So recently I got a request where the user wanted to identify all the duplicate items or all the duplicate files in the SharePoint. I kept thinking on how I can identify. What I can do is I can maybe take the name, but there can be a lot of files with the same name. Then I thought, what if I take two characters or two parameters, which is name and the size, but still I felt, even if you have a space, the name, then the space can be same. You can just remove is and still the size of the file will remain the same. So what is the best way on identifying duplicate files in SharePoint? And after some research, I identified that yes, the best way to do is this hash. What you do is you get the hash file of all the files and you compare that hash files. If you do that, you will get to know the duplicate of two different files. Now, the best part over here is even if the file names are different, you will still be able to identify two files with the same kind of content in it. Now let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So this is my site where I have two scripts. The first script is if you want to identify duplicate files in all the SharePoint site, which means regardless, you have 20 different site collections. You want to identify duplicate files in all the 20 site collections, you can do that. This site will help you with doing that. And if you want to use a duplicate file where you just want to understand where the uh, if you just want to understand duplicate on one site collection only, then you can use this particular script. I have pasted both the scripts and I've copied them over here, and I'll demonstrate on how you can actually use it. So this is where you can identify all the duplicate files in one site collection. This is a site collection which we are going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the script. I have already logged in, so it's a basic authentication process. I say signed in. Once I'm done with that, you should be able to see it'll ask me if I've given him permissions. I say, yeah, I give all the permissions. And now what it's going to do is it's going to look into that particular site collections. Make sure you do have access to the site collection or you're a SharePoint admin in order to access all the site collections and perform this script. Uh, okay, make sure this script will do one more small thing. It is gonna run it on all the all the document libraries and folders, and it's going to try to identify all the places where they can be duplicates. So you can have duplicate files in different document libraries, and it's going to tell you that these are all the document libraries where you can see that content. uh, if you want hash of all the files, let me know. I can convert the script and making sure that you are able to access or you get hash files of all the files. So it's going to take a little like 5-10 minutes to run it on to one particular site collection. If and we're going to run this on all the site collections as well. Just to inform you, but I'll make sure I skip that part a little and I only show you the results. Okay, there we done. This is only from one site collection. Now notice that Dash Cafe over here and Cafe 40, these are two different files, but their size or their hash is same, which means they have the same content. Same goes for dashboard kiddos and kiddos, different file names but the same content, so we are able to follow the same. Now, if I run this for my site collection level, again, this report is getting exported. If you want, this will also export it onto this particular CSV file, and I can definitely do that using this folder as well. Using this script, this is going to run it for all the site collections. And yeah, I can run it and then show it to you. Similarly, we just log on, we sign in, and that's it. The script will execute. It'll ask for permissions, consents, and done. Consent on behalf of organization, and that's it. Shortly it'll run. It start running the. Now it's gonna run it for all the site collections. So we're gonna stop for some time, and once all the results are back, we should be done. Okay, I'll stop the video and we'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, I'm back. We ran the script to execute at least like an hour about, and after an hour, it was able to tell me all the places where we have duplicate uh, files on what all places, what they are named. For example, this particular file is on three different locations, named as control customer, customer, control customer, and similarly, this file is also on three different places. So yeah, we are able to identify, and if we want to see more details about this file, we can just open this particular uh, Excel file which I exported, and this will tell you the location. So we see Corp bands, global had similar kind of files on to multiple locations. So core band and the perspective and global marketing. I think these three are similar kind of files on three different site collections. And similarly, yeah, it follows a lot. So yeah, I think this was very helpful to you all. Again, if you want to look at the script, it's available on my website, itfreesupport.com. That should help you identify uh, all the files on the whole SharePoint site or a specific SharePoint site if you want to find duplicates. Do use these scripts. Let me know if you have any issues. Hope that will be very helpful. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.